Hello, good morning students. This is your notes of resources and development. So the first question, it is your plant kingdom cannot sustain without the existence of soil. Explaining. So because it needs soil to stand straight and the roots of tree catches the soil tightly, and due to this it prevents soil erosion, and so there is no life without soil. Plant has no life without soil, so we should conserve the soil. Now enumerate the changing pattern of land uses in India. The first one, it is your area under forest, that is used 19%. Area not available for cultivation. Uncultivated land excluding current follows, that is 9.5%. Area under current follow, that is 6%, and net sown area, that is for cultivation that is used 48%. Now the next, how would you conserve your forest, your land? How would you conserve your soil erosion? How conservation of soil erosion. So the first one, it is your afforestation and protection of the existing forest cover, prevention of overgrazing of pasture by restricting the number of cattle, planting of shelter belt, practice of terrace farming in hilly area, stubble mulching, leaving stock of crops in field and cultivated with them in the next season. Check dams and embankment to control water flow for protecting the soil, reducing the intensity of flood. Now this is your, what are the causes of soil erosion? We know removal of fine layer of exposed soil by rains, running water and wind, it is called soil erosion. And what are the causes? The causes are clearing the forest, deforestation, practice of shifting cultivation, overgrazing, construction and digging activities, faculty farming technique, and increased flood due to improper water and forest management. The next, how would you conserve your land resources? So the land by afforestation, for development of shelter belt, for growing grass, and overgrazing of pasture should be prevented, and soil erosion can be checked by planting vegetation, and construction of check dams to reduce the fury of flood, and adopt scientific farming method. Now, what are the causes of land degradation by man? So large scale deforestation to make way for agriculture, new towns and cities, industries and transportation, overgrazing of pasture, faulty method of farming, and increased salinity and alkalinity of soil due to over irrigation, digging and construction, mining, and urban and industrial waste disposal cause both land and water pollution. So this is your notes. Here some areas which are some examples of severest degradation of area in India, like overgrazing आपका राजस्थान, गुजरात, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र में अधिक होता है. बाय ओवर इरिगेशन आपका पंजाब, हरियाणा में है. माइनिंग आपके झारखंड और छत्तीसगढ़ में ज़्यादा होते हैं. एंड मिनरल प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज़ आपके छोटा नागपुर बेल्ट में है. सो दिस इज़ योर नोट्स. Just write it and learn the all question and answers. Thank you.